Hi friends, it's Mrs. Cade. We're going to read a story today and you're going to listen, but I have a question. Do you like bugs? I asked that question. Who here likes bugs? Some bugs maybe. Well, you're going to hear a story today about bugs. So let's listen and find out if you hear anything that you already know about bugs or that you might learn about bugs. The story is I Love Bugs, and it's by Philemon Sturgis and illustrated by Sherry Halpern. I love bugs. Here we go. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I like bugs. Bugs that creep, bugs that crawl. Bugs that hop or fly. I love to find them under rocks or watch them in the sky. These bugs paddle. This one weaves. Some make honey. Some chew leaves. Some bugs burrow underground. Others swoop and buzz around. Burrow means make tunnels. Swoop means fly. This one's like a bit of bark. This one's like a twig. Bark means the outer covering of a tree. It also means ruff, ruff, ruff. Twig means like a stick. Cicada buzz a summer song. Crickets dance a jig. I like bugs that blink at night or flutter round the back porch light. Flutter means to flap wings quickly. But this bug is the best of all. It's Ladybug. She loves to crawl. Is she a bug? No. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I love bugs. Oh, now here are some of the bugs that we saw within this story. A woolly bear, a dragonfly, a grasshopper, a millipede, a beetle, a water bug, a caterpillar, a butterfly, a spider, and a bee. They give some facts or some information about each of them. Woolly bear. Did you know that some say the thicker a woolly bear's black stripes are, the what? The colder the winter ahead? Oh, I don't know. I think that might be a fable or a story that's being told. Who knows? Grasshopper. Let's see what it says. The ears on a longhorned grasshopper are on its front legs near its knees. That's interesting. A millipede. Oh my goodness. Well, millipede means 1,000 legs, but most millipedes have around 230. Well, that's very different than 1,000. That's very interesting. How about a spider? Well, we know this because you were in my classroom for our fall festival. Most spider have 8 eyes. We know that. That's making a connection. Water bugs. Some water bugs can race across the surface of water without even getting wet. That would be fun. And let's go down here to queen bees. Queen honeybees can lay over 2,000 eggs a day. in one day, 2,000 eggs. Wow, whew, that's a lot of babies to take care of. Man. Sometime this year, your teachers have had a lesson that you have clapped or tapped out how many syllables or parts a word has. Well, we are going to do that with the names of some of the bugs in this book. So let's get out our drums and our drumsticks, and let's read the name of the bug out loud and tap each syllable. For example, bug, bug. Let's tap it. Bug, bug. How many syllables does that have? Did you get one? Bug. Then you were right. How about woolly bear? Woolly bear. Woolly bear. Did you get 3? Then you were right. Let's do some more. Let's tap or clap and count the rest of these bugs on this page. Follow the arrow for what comes next. Go ahead and show someone around you if you can. Here we go. Ant. Ant. How many syllables did you get? Ant. Did you get one? Exactly. Then you're right. Deer fly. Deer fly. How many syllables is that? Deer fly. Did you get 2? Then you were right. Follow the arrow. We're going to moth. Moth. How many syllables? Moth. 1. You were right. Follow the arrow. We're going to praying mantis. Praying mantis. How many syllables is that? Praying mantis. 4. You were right. Scooch across. Cicada. Cicada. If you got 3, you were right. Keep going across. Cricket. Cricket. How many syllables does cricket have? Cricket. Cricket. 2. We're going to go down now. Luna moth. Luna moth. That might be tricky. Oh, you got it. 3. Scooch on over to that. Wait, what? That's not a bug. Baby sister. Baby sister. Baby sister. 4. You were right, even though it wasn't a bug. Scooch over to ladybug. Ladybug. 3. You're right. Firefly. Firefly. 3. Exactly. You did a great job. Wonderful job. Now I'm going to ask you a question. How many bugs had 1 syllable? 2. How many had 2 syllables? 2. Exactly. How many had 3? 4. Exactly. And last but not least, how many had 4? 2. You're right. Good job. Good job. Good job with syllables and with sorting them. Okay, now I have attached a website full of bugs that you can sort. It is called Pest World for Kids. Pest World. A pest is a bug. Bug, bug, bug. So we're going to click on the link and explore the world of bugs. It's right down here. Okay. So there's lots of different games that you can play with, but one of them in particular is a sorting game. Okay. Now, It does go fast, so you have to bring your cursor or your little mouse around and click on them and put them in the basket where they belong. Okay, when I played it the first time, I didn't do it fast enough. So make sure you try to go as fast as you can. Okay, boys and girls, happy exploring Bug World, and always happy reading.